Hello, in today's video, I want to talk about taking things to the next level, affiliate marketing. Watch the video till the end because in it, I'll be showing you where you can get free resources to start your internet marketing career successfully and properly. My name is Robert Poole. My website is enterpriseformula.com. I provide tips and strategies to help you with your online marketing. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I do another video. Are you one of those people that has bought all of the shiny objects? You now have a desktop full of files and folders and PLR and unopened products that you haven't had time to get around to. All the bonuses still sitting on your desktop. I mean, sometimes I would buy shiny objects just to get the bonuses. If that's you, then welcome to Making Money Online. Unfortunately, it seems like we all have to go through this period of complete confusion first. The biggest relief you'll get is when you're no longer hooked on those shiny objects and spinning your wheels online and you finally have a plan of where to go and how to get there. You know, you never get to those products that's on your desktop, and you will end up buying more shiny objects if you're not ready to go to the next level of affiliate marketing. So what is that next level? Just ask yourself, are you ready to get serious? Are you ready to get serious about this business? If you're ready to get serious, then you need to understand that you have to have a plan that makes sense. And once you put the plan together, you have to actually execute it. This is a real business. And many people are coming online every day and creating a successful, financially independent career doing this exact same thing. If you're really ready to do what it takes to become online successfully, which includes doing the actual work that you have to do, then you're ready for the next level. The next level is simply to get serious, get focused, and start moving forward with a plan. We've all been tricked into thinking that you can come online and start making money right away with just a few clicks of the mouse, no experience, no training, just buy this product, click these 3 buttons, and you're instantaneously rich. Now, you know that doesn't happen, but somehow we've been tricked into believing that. If you happen to be very new, then maybe you haven't gone through this experience yet, but you will. Unless you take heed to the information like this, you're destined to keep going down those rabbit holes. Unfortunately, most of us start out pretty much the same way. We're led to believe that making money online is easy. What we don't understand right away is that this is a business just like any other business, which means that the basic fundamentals still apply when it comes to starting a business online. Well, that means setting up a foundation. Normally, when you go to a new business, you go there, you look at what they're advertising, take time and, you do a little research about the product and the company. You listen to word of mouth. Basically, you do your research. I mean, to make sure you don't just throw your money away. You might not purchase anything right away, but you'll keep them in mind if you were impressed with them. But for some reason, we don't realize that that's the same thing that people do when they're deciding whether or not they're going to do business with us. The thing about marketing online is that there's not a whole lot of regulation. Product creators have found this out, and so they become very creative when they make their products because they know this business is still relatively new. So they come up with products that offer all kind of shortcuts. In the meantime, serious platforms like Facebook, Google, YouTube, and the like, they're constantly changing their algorithms to keep their platforms clean. Whenever they see unusual activity, they look into it, find the source, see what they're doing, and simply change their algorithm to keep the platform clean. Many marketers have lost their businesses using these fly-by-night products that were somehow gaming the system. The idea of spending $10 for a product that does amazing things makes it very easy to get caught up in looking for the next shiny object. As time went by, it became obvious that the more intriguing the sales page was, the more attention it got. So now you see these amazing sales letters or sales pages that take you on this vicarious experience of achieving fantastic financial success just by purchasing this $10 product. At this point, you're not even using your common sense because now you've signed on to the idea that a $10 product is going to make you rich. And why would somebody sell you something for $10 that could possibly make you rich? It doesn't happen. Rarely does the product even measure up to the claims made on the sales page. But because the product is offered for so cheap, after reading about all the amazing things that this product can do for you, you jump on it because you were expecting it to cost a lot more. And this is how these front end products work. It's just a game. It's just a game that's targeted to the uninformed. I mean, for $10, what do you have to lose? But what happens is you get caught up into trying one product after the other simply because it's cheap to check it out. So you end up trying one thing after the other and never finishing anything. This is a real business, and there are legitimate products available to help you. The problem is we get lulled into believing that some of these products will provide shortcuts and save us from having to do all the work of building a successful business online. What products do you need to build a successful business? Well, there's a basic funnel. This is a basic funnel that most businesses are going to have at startup. You're going to be driving traffic from somewhere. In this example, I'm using YouTube, but it could be Facebook, it could be Google, it could be word of mouth. Whoever you get to opt in to your lead magnet, which is your opt-in page, which will be on your website. If they decide to opt in, then they'll go to your autoresponder, which will then allow you the ability to email them over and over again and get a relationship going with them. Should they decide to purchase your product right away, they'll purchase your product and they'll still go to your email list. But this is a basic setup that you're going to have to learn how to do. If you don't know how to do it now, this is what you'll be setting up in order to run your business properly. You have to accumulate leads so that you can get your own audience to build your own business. It has to be set up no matter what niche you're in. You should have your own website, which is your home online. This is an example of having your own website where you can attract visitors so that you might can get somebody to opt into your list. The way you do that is you have an opt-in page on your website. Like this is the opt-in page of my website, of which I'm offering a free 12-step action plan to try to get you to opt in to get your lead. That way I can email to you over and over again and try to establish a relationship with you. The idea is to earn a relationship with you by sending you valuable information which you can actually use to help you build your own business. A page builder to create pages. This is the plugin that I use. It's called Thrive Themes. As you can see, it's conversion focused. It's a WordPress theme. To become a member of Thrive Themes is very easy. It's very reasonable, very easy to get access to, but this is something that you're going to need in your inventory. A really good page builder, and Thrive Themes is one of the best. I'll leave a link for it in the description below. An autoresponder to collect emails. This is the autoresponder I use. It's called GetResponse. GetResponse is a very well-known autoresponder for handling your emails, and you'll be very satisfied should you decide to check them out. They're very reasonable to get started with. Don't be afraid to invest in your own success. You will find a link for GetResponse in the description below. Those are just the basics that are necessary to start a successful business online. Now, there's training available at a very cheap price that will show you the right way to get started and to provide you with all the information you need to keep from going down those rabbit holes of buying shiny objects. I'm going to share one of those products with you today for absolutely free. Just click the link in the description below to get access to it. This blueprint will help you get started without having to spend any money, and you will learn everything you need to know from that point on. You'll get some amazing training that's going to save you a whole lot of time and money. Before I found this blueprint, which I'm using myself to do my marketing, I was all over the place. I had no plan, no real idea of what I was doing or how I was going to get there. And that's how it was from day to day. Now I'm focused and I know where I'm going and I know how I'm going to get there. Time is your greatest asset. This blueprint is going to save you so much time. And in that sense, you're also going to save a lot of money. There's no way you'll understand or realize the kind of money that you're going to actually save until you actually know what you're doing. Now, this is one blueprint that you can actually complete to the very end because all the information in here is absolutely real and what you absolutely need to succeed online. No longer will you be attracted to those shiny objects because you will actually know how to dissect them, and you'll be able to tell right from the very beginning whether or not the product is any good or not. Now, I take a lot of personal satisfaction in knowing that I'm offering something that's going to help people and get them off that spinning wheel of going around in circles. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I do another video. And if you've been looking for a safe and effective program to help you with your online marketing, don't forget to click the link in the description below.